Hello children, I am Siva Parvati, working as an English and life skills trainer in Naipunya Vikasam. Today we are going to discuss the important topic, that is how we should behave in a classroom. So the today's topic is classroom rules. Why should we learn classroom rules? Classroom rules are the foundation for a functional and successful classroom in any setting. Now, let's move on to our rules. The first rule is listening to the teacher. Always listen to your teacher with concentration. If we do not listen to the teacher, we cannot understand the concept, and it make a lot of confusion when we are revising the topic. The second rule is put your hands up. If you want to ask any doubts, or if you want to share any ideas, or if you want to answer any questions asked by teacher in the class, then you have to put your hands up. Now, the third rule is respect each other. In a classroom, you always have to behave in a respectful manner with teacher and also with your co-students. Now, the coming to fourth rule, be honest and tell the truth. One of the good qualities of a student is to be honest and tell the truth. This is also applicable in your life. Now, coming to the fifth rule, be polite. If you have received any help from others, it is a good manner to say thank you. When you need any help from others, you need to request them using the words please or excuse me. Now, coming to the sixth rule, be on time. We must always be punctual to the class and school. The seventh rule is tidy up the classroom. At the end of the day, before leaving the classroom, we need to make sure that the classroom is clean, and it is the responsibility of every student. Now, the eighth rule is be a good friend to everyone. As a student, we have lots of friends in our classroom. A friend in need is a friend indeed. So, we should be helpful to our friends, and we have to maintain good relationship and friendship with everyone in our classroom. The ninth rule is share your knowledge with others. Whenever we discuss a topic with others, we can also gain knowledge from them. The 10th rule is take care of your school equipment. You have to keep all your belongings like books and other things properly and carefully without losing them. Now, coming to the 11th rule, always work hard. To gain knowledge and reach your goal in life, we should work hard. The last and the final rule, the 12th rule is line up before quietly entering the room. Line up quietly before entering into the class and leaving the class. In the school premises, we must move in a disciplined manner. So always form a line or queue when you are moving in a group. Thank you. Hope you all have learned the rules of a classroom.